Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you people are great at home, right? And also learning lessons by watching our videos, right? Are you watching our videos? Yes, of course you are watching, and I hope you are all are watching because you people are very good, right? And also smart, right? Okay, students. So by saying this, I am going to start our the same block. You can see that block 3. Block 3 is sequencing of events, and the LP4 making words with E, A and E. So students, the aim of our class is we will make new words by using the phonic sound of E, A and E. Right, students? Okay. So, in the previous class I have already told about the meaning of the sequencing and the meaning of the events. Now, once again I am going to repeat it. Sequencing means what, children? Sequence. Sequence means order. Okay? Events. Event means what? Events means it is nothing but the main important thing that happen in the story. The main important things. Okay? Events are nothing but the main important things. Right? So students, now let us go for our today's class. Before going to start today's class, you have to come to know the part of activity. So as you can see here, many letters I have written on the board, as well as I have written one sentence and also some of the keywords, right? So let us go one by one. So first come to the part of the letters. Okay, so you can see these letters. Okay, students, now it's your time to make a flashcards of these letters. Okay, you have to make a flashcards of these letters, or else you can get it in your workbook at the end of the page. Am I clear? Okay. So now, here let us read the phonic sound of these letters. You have to read the phonic sound of these letters. So what are the phonic sound? What do you mean by the phonic sound? Can anybody guess? Phonic means what? Phonic means it's a sound of letter or sound of word. Okay? Phonics means sound of a letter or word. Okay? So here I have given the letters. Let us see the sound, phonic sound of these letters. What is this? Which letter it is? A. What is the phonic sound of this A? B, D, A, K, R, O, Y. Okay. So now let us move to the keyword section. So students, these keywords along with the worksheet you have to do this work also. Is that words or words? These two word spellings you have to practice. Okay. After this class you have to write this in the rough book. Am I clear? And now let us come to the action part. That means activity part. So students, here you can see that there is a sentence on the board. Right? Is that China is far, my dear. Fly east until you see the sea of great whales. Okay, students, now the words which I have underlined, you have to read it or you have to repeat it 2 to 3 times. Let us read with me. Dear, east, sea. Dear, sound. Can you guess what sound it is? Can you guess? Yes, it is none other than E sound words. See, east, see, dear. Right? It makes the same sound. But you can see the different spelling. The spellings are different, but the sound is same. The spellings are different and the sound is same. So all these underlined words make the same sound, that is E sound. Right, students? So in today's class, what we will do? We will make words with E, A and E, E. By using these letter cards, we will make new words with E, A, E, E. Okay, so now let us go to the activity part. Okay, so students, here I will play the word game. Okay, we will play the word game. So here I will say some words. I may say 2-letter words, 3-letter words, or I may say 4-letter words. Okay, so you have to use these letter cards and you have to make some more new words. Understood? Okay, so first I will go with the 2-letter words. Okay, so first 2-letter words what I am going to use. The 2-letter words what I have to write here is that. See here. The, it means do. So these 2 little words I have made by using these letters. The, do. Now make one sentence by using the do word. For example, I do my homework, or I do my homework. I do my homework. Okay. Now make 3-letter words by using these letter cards. For example, D, O, E. D, O, E. Doll. Okay. It's a baby of deer. Doll means it's a baby of deer. Understood? So here we can make one more sentence by using the doll. Okay? The doll is beautiful. The doll is beautiful. So here how you have made the 2-letter word from, how you have made 3-letter word from 2-letter word? See here, by using the do word, do it is a 2-letter word. By using do 2-letter word, you have made 3-letter. How you have made? Is that by adding one more letter at the end, we have made 3-letter word. Understood? Now let us move to the some more words. Is that? Let us write the 4-letter word. What 4-letter word you can write it? B, E, A, B, A, R, K. B, A, R, K. So what it is? B, A, R, K. So what is the phonic sound of these all the letters? B, A, R, K. But. So by using this you can make one sentence. Is that the dog is the dog bark. So this you can make it, right? So now let us move to the one more word. Is that by using the word be. By using the word beat. B-E-A-T. Beat. So by using this beat word, you have to make one more word. Okay. By using the beat word, you have to make one more word by changing the vowel. So in this word, what vowel you are going to change it? To make the same word, to make the one more word, you have to change one vowel. So you can see here E and A are the two vowels, but you have to change only one vowel. By changing the one vowel, you have to make one more word. For example, see B-O-A-T. Boat. Right? So by changing the only one vowel, we have made one more word. Right? In the same way, ray. R-A-Y, ray. R-A-Y, ray. From ray to one more word you have to make it by changing the first letter. So here B-A-Y, bay. Okay. So in this way we can make the new words by changing the first letter or by adding the some more letters. Okay students, so now see students, sometimes the letter Y it also make the sound of overting. It also make the sound of over. So already you know about the 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So here even the Y also sometimes this letter Y is also a part of vowel sound. It is also part of vowel sound. It is not included in the vowel. Okay. It is not included. The Y is not included in the vowels, but it is a part of vowel. Am I clear? It is a part of vowel because sometimes it also make the vowel sound. For example, brain. See. So brain into braid. Okay. So brain into braid. So here Y, braid. When you pronounce at the end of the sound, at the end of this word, you can hear the A sound. Bread. Right? So it also sometimes the Y letter also make the vowel sound. Okay? But you should keep it in your mind that Y it is not a vowel. It is a part of vowel. Understood? It is a part of vowel team. Okay? But it is not a vowel. So students, in this class what you have learned? By using the letter cards, we have made some more words that have a E, A and E. So now let us move to the worksheet part. The page number 24. So page number 24 your worksheet. Here you can see some of the words by changing just now how we have made the words like this by changing the words, by changing the vowels, how we have made. In the same way you also have to make by seeing of this picture. For example, beat into what is this picture? Boat. So here you have to write it boat. Cost. This is toast.